Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video here at 88 Rotors Off-Road and Happy New Year! We've compiled a video of some RRW RR7-H flowform wheels that we've installed this last week since we got the 2 containers in. We have a ton of these in stock and ready to rock. You can get a set at 88rotorsoffroad.com and have it shipped right to your door, or just give us a call to schedule an appointment and we can get you set up and get a set installed. We're going to kick it off with this new 2024 Tundra SR5. We just installed a Westcott Design setup on this one, giving it 3 inches of lift in the front and 1 inch in the rear. We also installed a set of RRW RR7Hs in a 17 by 8.5 size with a 0 offset in a flowform design. This right here is a newer, lighter, and stronger wheel compared to the previous cast version. Our shop, 88 Rotors, is located in sunny Southern California. We're in the city of Baldwin Park to be exact, and that's about 20 minutes east of downtown Los Angeles in California, USA. If you're looking to get some work done by us, please reach out to us anytime by phone, or you can always message us by clicking on the link in the description and going to our contact form. With a 3-inch lift on the new Tundras, we're able to clear the 35 12.5 17 Falcon Wild Peak AT3Ws on here with a 17 by 8.5 size wheel with a 0 offset easily. There was minimal modifications needed to the fender liner to make it clear completely, even with articulation. Next up, we have another white 2023 Tundra SR5 with a TRD Sport 4x4 package. This one right here did receive our Dobinson IMS lift setup, front and rear shocks that is, with Icon tubular delta joint upper control arms. For the wheels and tires on this one, we also went with the RRW RR7H flowform wheels in a 17 by 8.5 size, 0 offset matte black finish that we wrapped in a 35 12.5 17 Nitto Ridge Grappler. With the new lift, wheels, and tires installed on this truck, we're going to bring it out for a quick test drive now. If you're looking for a nice suspension setup that's not going to break the bank, that's a full spring and shock combo with upper control arms, look no further. The Dobinson IMS is highly recommended by us. It comes complete with everything you need to install it to get some awesome ride quality on and off-road. We'll drop a link in the description if you want to order a set to get them shipped to your door. Next up, we're going to install a matte bronze set of RR7H flowforms on this 4Runner in Lunar Rock. We just lifted this one with a Bilstein 5100 setup all around with Old Man Emu lift springs and SPC ball joint upper control arms. Since the tires were fairly new on the vehicle already, we just swapped it over to the new wheels for our customer here. These right here are some 285 7017 Kumo tires swapped onto the RR7H flowforms. There are many benefits to running a hybrid wheel like the RR7H. One is that it is a full-form design, which is lighter and stronger compared to the previous full cast version. Another is that they come in great specs for most popular applications. Another reason is that they are a hybrid design, so you can mount a tire on there for regular street use or turn them into a beadlock wheel easily without having to replace all 4 new wheels. They also come optional with a lip protection ring for regular street use as well. Next up, we have this magnetic gray metallic Tacoma TRD Off-Road 4x4. This one's in for a King suspension setup. We're doing the King 2.5 remote reservoir, coilovers, and shocks all around with compression adjusters, Camburg tubular X-joint upper control arms in the front end, some Dakar leaf springs in the back with ARB bushings. This kit right here yields about 3 inches of lift in the front and 2 inches in the back. To prevent the truck from having some harsh bottom outs, we also installed a set of Durabumps for both front and rear on this one. We're using the same wheels on this. These are the RR7Hs once again in the flowform design in a 17 by 8.5 size, 0 offset, and a matte bronze finish. We wrapped it up in a 285 7017 BF Goodrich All-Terrain KO2, which clears perfectly as set up here. Next up, we have this 2021 Tundra TRD Pro that we previously installed an iBox spring setup on. It's back today for a body mount chop and some new RRW RR7-H wheels in a 17 by 8.5 size with the 0 offset. We wrapped it up in a 35 12.5 17 BF Goodrich all-terrain KO2. Next up is this brand new Toyota Sequoia. This one right here is going with a King setup. We're doing the King 2.5 remote finned reservoir coilovers and shocks for both front and rear with compression adjusters. The front gets the Camburg kinetic billet upper control arms, and the rear gets Old Man Emu lift springs. For the wheels and tires on this one, we went with some RRW, you guessed it, RR7H wheels in a 17 by 8.5 size with the 0 offset. This right here is in a matte black finish that we wrapped in a 35 12.5 17 Toyo Open Country Hybrid RT tire. To maximize storage space, we also installed a Prinsu full rack on top that requires no drilling at all. And this is pretty much going to be a wrap for today's video. We hope you guys enjoyed it, and hopefully it helped you guys decide on whether or not to run the RR7H Flowform wheels. If you like the stance of any of the trucks shown in our video today, make sure to check us out at 88rotorsoffroad.com, or simply go to the description and click on some of the links that we have there. We do ship nationwide and offer installation services at our Baldwin Park location. So thanks again for tuning in, guys. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't already, turn on that notification bell. That way you'll get alerted the next time we post another video. Until then, take care, guys.